Hi, this is Nick Coman with Dragonfly Creative. Today we're going to talk about how to use your sewing machine as a third hand. Sometimes when we're sewing, we need that extra hand. We need someone helping us to hold that fabric so we can do something with both of our hands on the other end. It's just as close as your sewing machine. So what you can do is put one end of your fabric underneath the presser foot. I like to use the needle down function, and then it's holding that fabric in place. So now I can take this fabric and I can use both of my hands to either rip a seam or hand stitch, do whatever it is that I need to be doing to that fabric with both of my hands over here while my sewing machine is holding my fabric. This is Nick Coman with Dragonfly Creative, and thank you so much for watching.